The Musashino Line is a railway line operated by the East Japan Railway Company. It links Tsurumi Station in Yokohama with Nishi-Funabashi Station in Chiba Prefecture, forming a 100.6 km unclosed loop around central Tokyo. Passenger operations are limited to the 71.8 km portion between Fuchū-Hommachi and Nishi-Funabashi. The Tsurumi to Fuchū-Hommachi portion, called the Musashino South Line, is normally used only by freight trains. The line forms part of what Junior East refers to as the Tokyo Mega Loop around Tokyo, consisting of the Keiyo Line, Musashino Line, Nambu Line, and Yokohama Line services. Most services on the Musashino Line are local trains making all stops. Some trains continue through the Keiyo Line past Nishi-Funabashi to Tokyo, Minami-Funabashi or Eihan-Makuhari. Other services include Musashino services operated between Fuchū-Hommachi, Hachioji and Omiya, Shimosa services operated between Omiya and Nishi-Funabashi, Holiday Kaisoku Kamakura seasonal service between Minami Koshigaya and Kamakura, Burari Kamakura in Yokohama Bay Area seasonal service between Iwaki and Kamakura, Burari Takao Sansaku seasonal service between Hitachi and Takao. Station list. Tsurumi Station is considered to be the origin of the Musashino Line. Trains going clockwise are therefore referred to as heading down, while trains going counterclockwise are heading up. This is often counterintuitive, as it results in through trains to Tokyo being labeled and numbered as down trains while on the Musashino Line. However, such trains switch to up after joining the Keiyo Line. All passenger trains begin service at Fuchū-Hommachi Station. Details on the Musashino South Line freight-only section can be found below the passenger station list. Musashino Line Omekaido Station is approximately 10 minutes walk from Shinkodera Station. Musashino South Line rolling stock. Trains on the Musashino Line are normally formed of 205 series and 209 to 500 series 8-car electric multiple units. The 205 to 0 series sets were built from new for the Musashino Line entering service from the 1st of December 1991, and have 6 motored cars per 8-car set. These were the last 205 series sets to be built from new. The 205-5000 series sets were modified between 2002 and 2008 from displaced former Yamanote Line sets by adding new VVVF-controlled AC motors, and have 4 motored cars per 8-car set. The 209-500 series sets were transferred from the Keiyo Line, where they were displaced by new E233-5000 series sets and reduced from 10 to 8 cars per set. Former 101-1000 series 6-car emus, 103 series 6-car, later 8-car emus, 201 series 6-car emus, 165 and 169 series emus were used on Shinkansen relay services and later Musashino rapid services until 2002. 115 series emus were used on Musashino services from 2002 until the services were downgraded to all stations local status in December 2010. Freight. Locomotive types seen hauling freight trains include the Class EF64, Class EF65, Class EF66, Class EF81, Class EF200, Class EF210, Class EH200, Class EH500, Class DE10, and Class HD300. History. The Musashino Line was initially envisioned as a Tokyo outer loop line in a 1927 Railway Appropriations Bill, but was not built for several decades due to World War II and its aftermath. Construction finally began in November 1965. In 1967, a train carrying jet fuel to Takakawa Air Base in western Tokyo exploded while passing through Shinjuku Station. This disaster led to the banning of freight trains on railway lines in central Tokyo and sped the development of the Musashino Line as an alternative route. Because most of the line passed through sparsely populated areas, it was initially envisioned as a freight-only line. However, opposition from a local residents, at the same time as the violent landowner battles plaguing Narita International Airport, led the railway authorities to agree to passenger service as well. The first section of the line between Fuchū-Hommachi and Shin-Matsudo opened on the 1st of April 1973. Train services were operated using 6-car 101-1000 series emus, which were modified specially for the line to comply with government regulations concerning fire resistance of trains operating through long tunnels, as the line included the 4,380 meters Higashi-Murayama Tunnel between Shin-Kodira and Shin-Akatsu stations, and the 2,563 meters Kodira Tunnel between Shin-Kodira and Nishi-Kokubunji stations. Services operated at 15-minute intervals in the morning peak, and at 40-minute intervals during the daytime off-peak. The southern freight-only line from Fuchū-Hommachi to Tsurumi opened on the 1st of March 1976. The eastern section of the line from Shin-Matsudo to Nishi-Funabashi opened on the 2nd of October 1978. Interrunning to and from the Keiyo Line commenced on the 1st of December 1988. For the start of the 1st of December 1996 timetable revision, all of the Musashino Line 103 series sets were lengthened from 6 to 8 cars.